Today we're talking about the Eclair LED Therapy Mask. We use the light for around 2 months, and I mainly use the orange function since my concerns are hyperpigmentation and overall brightening of my skin.
For me, I use the blue light because I wanted to improve my pores and also because I have trouble skin.
So the red light is for fine lines and wrinkles, the orange light is for brightening dull skin, and lastly the blue light is for inflammation, and it especially helps with trouble acne-prone skin. So go ahead and apply your goggles, and your mask will shut off 15 minutes when it's done. Here we are at day 2. Day 5. So day 11 here, and I have a bit of a hormonal breakout, so I'm going to use the blue light today. Day 14, and I was using the blue light before, but now this breakout is pretty much gone. It's completely flat now, so I'm gonna go back to using the orange light.
So I have been using the LED mask for about 17 days now, and as you guys can see, my skin has improved. Hi guys, today is day number 30. These are my results. As you guys can see, it really helped even my tone and take out some scars. Hi guys, I've been using the mask for 60 days now, and today is the last day, so I just want to tell you guys how it went. As you guys can see, it really helped me to reduce my pores, and this is the result. I'm super happy about it, and yeah, for me it's a 10 of 10, so I think you guys should get it. One thing that is very important is that I was using the blue light, so if your concern is clogged pores or acne prone skin, or if you have breakouts, use the blue light.
So as I mentioned, I mainly use the orange light since I wanted overall brightening of my skin, but I was also really impressed with the blue light. On days when I had active breakouts, they went down so much faster than they normally would have if I had just used my normal skincare routine.
Yeah, I totally agree with the blue light. For me, like as I say, I have trouble skin, and since I started using the mask, I can see how the inflammation went away little by little. It didn't happen over the night, but it really helped to reduce the inflammation. Same as if you have scars due to acne, it also can help you to heal them and to reduce them over the time as well. It's something that I think you can use it on a daily basis, and if you keep using it constantly, you will see the difference.